Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about my top conditioners specifically for winter. Now if you may have watched my video, there was a video I did about the importance of deep conditioning. If you haven't watched that, I think you should go and check it out. I'll leave like a card like up here. You should definitely go check that out because it might help you understand why you might need to deep condition and why you should deep condition, and how much it can actually change your hair. I'm going to talk about the top deep conditioners specifically for curly hair. I'm not going to talk about ones that I would use on my straightened hair. I'm going to talk about specifically ones that I'd use on my curly hair. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. So today I'm just going to be honest, my hair is wet. It's not the best looking because I've actually just done my hair, and I'm about to review a product that will probably be out next week, but just know it's really cheap, like $2 type of cheap. So stay tuned for that. And also just know, I did a whole natural makeup today. I didn't use any foundation, and guys, like, it looks full coverage and it's not. Let's just get straight onto the video. First product I want to talk about is the Macadamia Natural Hair Deep Repair Mask. Now, if you probably hear me talk about the protein balance when it comes to deep conditioning. In winter you want more moisturizing products, but if you find a good moisturizing product that has protein in it, keep hold of it, because that is going to be great for winter, because it's not every day just moisturizing deep conditioners. I personally like a balance, but yeah, obviously our hair is a lot more drier, so we always want to get moisturizing ones. This is a protein and moisturizing deep conditioner, but for me it's more moisturizing. And I feel like if you have damaged curls, it's moisturizing enough that it's good for the winter. If you have damaged curls and dry hair, this is like great for that, so I strongly recommend this. It's also, it's for dry hair, for damaged hair, and it's got macadamia oil, which is great for your hair. And if you're having issues with your curls and you want them to snap back, this is the product I strongly recommend. But just know everything will be listed down below, so yeah, US and UK, like links. This is good for curly and straight hair. If you do straighten your hair and you want your curls to revert ASAP, this is the product. Next product is this one. This is a new one, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is the Mielle Organics Babassu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. Now, when you put this on, it feels like a really moisturizing conditioner. You'll think it's a really just a moisturizing conditioner, but no, it's a deep conditioner. And when you leave it on and you take out, your curls will literally feel amazing, no joke. So this is very moisturizing, but it's got protein in it, so that's why I would say this is good for winter also. And the thing is, this product kind of tricks you because it's so moisturizing, it feels like conditioner. You feel like you need a lot of product, but trust me, you don't actually need that much product. Like, usually this probably would have finished like in a few uses, but trust me, you can like put a medium amount in and your hair will still be really moisturized, because I think it tricks you into thinking you need a lot. That's why you always feel like you need to repurchase this. Just trust me, don't put so much, just put the normal amount. Like, don't put the bare minimum, just coat your hair. And even though you won't see any products, it'll make you want to put in more, but trust me, don't, because that's how they trick you. You could probably get about 4 uses out of this, even 5, when you'd probably think you can only get like 2 to 3, because they trick you. But this is so moisturizing, and I'm not going to say a little bit goes a long way, but just over a little bit goes a long way. And don't be fooled by the texture thinking, oh, it's just moisturizing, so you just need to put more in because it feels very thin. No, this stuff actually works, and it works very well. It has a very strong mint smell, so if you don't like strong scents, you might not like this. Sorry, my camera keeps cutting. So the next product is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I can never do a video without Shea Moisture, like on a real talk, on a real level. I can't. This is so good. This is not a protein mask, this is purely a hydration mask. If your hair is suffering, dying, dry, hot mess, especially this winter, this product is amazing. Like, there was a video I did on how to properly moisturize your hair. That may also help you for the winter also. And also I have another video on winter tips, so I'll link them below and also up here somewhere during the video. But I use this for my moisturizing hair routine and I was shocked by the results. My curls were just popping, doing bands like they'd never done before. Also with this one as well. But yeah, this is really good, especially if you have extremely dry hair and it needs to be sorted out. And this is really good. It goes hand in hand very well with the conditioner for this as well, so I strongly recommend this product. But yeah, like I said, it's more of a hydration mask, so it's more moisture based, it's not so much protein. So in the winter this is just great. The next product I have to show you, I actually do not have it with me. It's another Shea Moisture product, however I do have the bottle of this line. I'll put a picture up here, but it's the 10-in-1 renewal system. I'm looking down because I'm reading it here. This is the conditioner for this, but it's finished obviously. But yeah, I'm just going to read it so I know what it is. But I have the deep conditioner for that is amazing. So this is the SuperFruit Complex 10-in-1 renewal system. It has marula oil and biotin. I think this also had marula. Oh, this had Mafura oil. Okay. So marula oil is really good for your hair, and also biotin, it helps grow your hair. But why I like this is because it's like a 10-in-1. So it's got your protein balance, your moisture balance, hydrates your hair, it makes your hair super soft. Like, it makes it very easy to manage, so you get really good slip. So this is like a bomb product for all year round, but specifically for winter because it's hydrating, that it makes your hair really good and soft in the winter as well. And also, again, if you need that protein moisture balance, it is great for that. It's a superfruit, and yeah, it makes your hair really shiny and soft, and I love this deep conditioner. I feel like it's good when your hair is kind of on a better, more normal balance, so for me it's really good. But I also feel like if your hair was really dry, it would help as well. But if your hair is on a good balance, I feel like that would be a great deep conditioner for the winter. I use this all winter and it helped my hair strengthen, grow and remain very soft. So the next product I now want to talk to you about is this Creme of Nature Argan Oil Strengthen Milk Mask Curl Repairing Deep Treatment. It restores dry, damaged curls. Now this is a really good deep conditioner, and obviously I went from expensive to cheap, so this is the cheapest one, and it is so good. Like, for the price, Creme of Nature have some really good products. It makes your hair feel really soft, really moisturized, and it helps restore damaged curls. Obviously it must have some protein in it, but it's just super moisturizing, that I feel like if you want a good bargain steal, get Shea Moisture get Creme of Nature products and get this deep conditioner specifically. And I do want to add one more product, but I'll have this like as the bonus. So technically it's like top 6, but this is more of a bonus because I know this doesn't work for everybody. And this is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, and this is obviously the cheapest product. So why I'm mentioning this one bit is because actually someone commented on one of my videos and actually said that this dehydrates their hair. So I know everyone's hair is different, but I don't know, this isn't like all sulfur free, all of that free. It does have ingredients in there that are not good for your hair. That's why I was not sure if I should mention this or not. However, this did make my hair really soft, and it does have some good products in there. It has where are they? Where have they all gone? Well, I can see the rubbish ones. Okay, has Australian aloe, jojoba oil, sea kelp. I don't actually know what sea kelp does, but this made my hair really moisturized and really soft. So I do feel like if you're on a budget, this size in America is $4.99, and it's a big size. In the UK they only have a small one, but this is £4.99 in England. So I feel like if you're on a budget, you should try this out. I personally liked it, but like again I said, some people think this is really bad for their hair, so that's why I was a bit iffy about showing this. But I did use this when it was cold and it did work really well for my hair, so I don't know. Obviously my other ones are one of my favorite ones, but this works really well. And my sister used it on her 4C hair and it made her hair super soft. So I do feel like this is a good deep conditioner, but I am aware that there are products that have bad things in there and it tricks you into thinking that your hair is really soft when really it's not. I don't know how to explain it, but you think your hair is being moisturized, but in the long run it's really not. So yeah, that's why I'm a bit iffy about this one, but I do suggest you try it because I know this is also quite a popular product. I liked it for my hair, like I said, and it makes your hair really moisturized. And you can keep it in for 3 minutes. Not that I do that, because I never do that. I leave it in for like half an hour to an hour plus. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. It helps you, and like I say, deep conditioning is important. Like, I don't play with my deep conditioners. They are really important. And I strongly recommend you deep condition like a lot, especially if you're doing curly hair for the winter time. Deep condition at least every 2 weeks or every 10 days minimum. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please like, because it helps so much, and share, because it might help someone else, might give someone else some ideas and tips and products for deep conditioning. And subscribe. Hit that subscribe button like pronto, because you don't want to miss these videos. Adios.